Okay, so I'm here with Tim from Kalispel Metal Products, and they've designed us this really great recycling collection system. So come on over, Tim. We'll take a look at the opening first. So what they've done is they've designed this opening so it's small enough that it really doesn't, or it deters people from reaching in and scavenging recyclables out of the bin. We were also talking about maybe putting a bar across here to prevent trash bags from going in the bin, and also even bags for recyclables, because they'd have to dump it out. And that's really what we want in the super sack that's inside is these recyclables, because we want them to fall out into the baler. So come on around here. We'll look at this opening. Now, in the final version, this would be closed here. And but we have it open just to show you what's inside right now. So this is a super sack. It's a reusable bag that can be lifted up by a forklift. The idea is that all of the recyclables would fall in from this spout opening. Tim, if you come over here, you can actually see how the spout sits down into the super sack like that. So recyclables would come in, they would fill up this bag, and then this bag can be transported out to the baler. It actually has a duffel bottom on the bottom of it down here. And so once it is taken out to the baler, it can be lifted up with the forks of a forklift, just like this. Those go through the loops here. It can be lifted up, hung over that baler, and that drawstring pulled, and all the material would fall down into the baler itself. So how does the bag get out of this bin and to the baler? Well, that's where they've designed this really neat backdoor hatch. Now, keep in mind, this is only a prototype. We were also talking about this back door coming all the way up, and you'll see in a second why that's important. But when this back door lowers, it becomes a ramp. And if the driveway back here is recessed, a flatbed truck or a trailer can be hauled in right here, and the ramp goes directly across to the trailer. If it's up higher, it's just a matter of pulling the bag uphill a little bit to get it up onto the trailer. So once this is lowered to the trailer, it's just a function of unhooking right here, and then moving into here and unhooking the fronts as well. You can see I can reach straight across the bag to unhook the fronts, and that's why we had planned to bring this door on the back all the way up, and so I don't have to duck to step into the bin. I can walk straight in. So with that, this is the prototype design. Of course, the finished product would have more of a powder coat, like this unit right over here, and be all nice and pretty. So, hope you enjoy.